Snapchat allows you to change your username only once per year. So, today let's learn, can you change username on Snapchat before 1 year? So, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat on your mobile device and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, there tap on the settings icon. Inside settings, scroll down till the bottom and look for the help or support option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the help, you'll be navigated to the support section. Inside the support section, simply scroll down and look for the chat with us option available there and simply tap on it. You will get to see chat with us option available there. Make sure to look for it and tap on it. You can see contact us or chat with us. Now, in a submit request, simply submit I need help with Snapchat feature option available there. After you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the I want to change my username option available there. Simply tap on it again. After you tap on the I want to change my username, you'll be navigated to the options of how to change the username. So here you can clearly read that you cannot change your username before 1 year. You will have to wait for a year in order to change your username. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.